Have you ever looked up and wondered, how do birds actually fly? Birds are marvels of nature, gliding through the skies with grace, but what's their secret? It all starts with their unique wing structure. Unlike our arms, bird wings are specially designed with a combination of feathers, muscle, and bone that creates lift. The shape of their wings, known as airfoils, helps them catch the wind just right. When a bird flaps its wings, it generates thrust and lifts off the ground. But it doesn't stop there. Birds also master the art of gliding. By spreading their wings wide, they can soar effortlessly through the air, using thermals, rising columns of warm air to gain altitude without wasting energy. Plus, their lightweight frames, hollow bones, and feathers make them aerodynamic champions, giving them an edge in flight. Next time you see a bird in the sky, remember, it's not just about flapping wings. It's a finely tuned dance of physics and biology. What's your favorite bird to watch soar? Share in the comments and follow for more amazing facts.